I inherited this leg condition from my parents that left me with deformed knees that just got worse and worse over time. And you can fool yourself for only so long. When people start offering to help you get around, you kind of get the message that you should have gotten because you were having a lot of difficulty. And so I finally got serious about finding a surgeon to help me. I finally found somebody here at Eisenhower Desert Orthopedic Center that I had really an incredible amount of confidence in just as soon as I started talking with him. I'm 8 months out from my surgery. I feel absolutely fantastic. Incredibly, the minute I started walking after the surgeries, I was walking straight, which was a complete new thing for me. Had I not been able to have the leg realignment along with the knee replacement, years from now I probably would have been having problems because my knock knee situation would have pulled my knees out of alignment again. So the combination of this was really phenomenal in terms of my overall well-being. Dr. Boghosian is something else. I met him after going on a journey looking for doctors or for alternative ways to deal with these problems. And within 5 minutes, I knew that I had the right person. Within 5 minutes, he started talking to me, not just about the knee, but the leg realignment, which was a major issue that no one else would even want to tackle. Every time I saw him after the first and the second surgery, it was practically happy dance time. Immediately, I saw the difference, and immediately I knew that this man had skills that made that possible, and I'm just forever indebted to him. He gave me my life back, really.